Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I don't know, I started another vlog, so I'm not too sure if I'm gonna combine, like just continue with the vlog or start a new one today. I'll see. But it's a Thursday today and it's June. I think it's the 2nd of June or the 3rd of June, something like that. So I am with Mr. Me. We are going to Old Palapye. Old Palapye, I saw on Precious Noah's vlog, she went there with her friends and I love the place. So it is it's like a waterfall, so like a waterfall place. So I asked my cousin, she says it's somewhere Gaborone. I'm not too sure, we don't know, none of us have been there, but we hope to arrive. We are gonna arrive, okay? So yeah, we actually are leaving Palapye quite late, but it's because it's cold, so we don't want to get there early in the morning when it's still very cold. So yeah, we are going, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm currently wearing this oversized shirt, a bralette, some sweatpants, because I want to take a picture in this casual outfit. But I do have gym tights underneath my sweatpants for when I get there. So yeah, let's go. We found Lecheng. So apparently you have to go through Lecheng and then we'll see a board somewhere that says Old Palapye and Gaborone basically. So we are still driving through Lecheng. We're passing like Lecheng clinic now. So you need So yeah, I'm excited, but Mr. right here says he's not excited. Are you still not excited?
I'm driving.
What do you mean? Aren't you excited to see the actual place? It's nice. So it's actually very cold, Molecheng. To think we left late thinking, you know, it's gonna get warmer. It's really cold, like the wind. I would say it. And almost everyone is sitting outside basking on the sun. It's that cold. But yeah, I think it's because of the water or whatever. Like it's really cold. The wind is cold. Arrived, so we're just gonna, I don't know, check in. We'll see. We're asking, hence the mask.
Yeah, I can also do some local people go get again. I don't know, last time was a
All right. So we made it. We managed to register. So now I'm supposed to just drive through in the car. The road is very simple actually. I thought we were gonna get lost, but we didn't. You just go through Lecheng, go straight until you see an old Levat's entrance thingy. So we bought chips. I got the chutney ones. They got the cheese ones. Linza. No, nice. Okay. So we're just driving. Apparently we're gonna see a old church building. There are two roads. There's one to the old church building, Phothophoto or something like that, and then there's the one to the left. I don't know what, I forgot the name, but we can actually go to both. She says most people go to the one on the old church building, but most people who come here to pray go to the one on the left. So I don't know what they and I are gonna do. We'll probably go to both if we have the time, because she said something like 3-point-something kilometers, ne? And it's not a joke. Hey, something like that. I don't exercise, I don't gym, I don't do anything, so I wonder. But at least I have my spray. I think I have my spray here, and at least I brought a small spray. I have to be prepared. So yeah, we brought our closed shoes. I'm gonna carry my slides in case I need them. So yeah, we'll see. We'll keep updating you guys. So this is where we are now. What have you said, Nip? I don't think the lighting is good though. From this side. No, yeah, so I just took pictures. We just took pictures. We just took pictures. So yeah, I'm happy with at least 2 or 3. Okay, that's all that matters. So yeah, I did say that I put some gym stuff underneath, so I'm gonna leave this denim jacket and then remove my sweatpants because I like our gym thingies. Probably wear my bucket hat because apparently we're gonna walk for long and it's sunny, so I don't want that for myself. Okay, but I do have sunscreen on. So yeah, the journey continues. See this place, it looks far, ne? Hi guys, it's me. I'm wearing a bucket hat. I tied my hair to the back. So we are at the old church building. It's called LM Church. LMS Church. So I'm just gonna show you guys, and then we're gonna now start using foot to the actual water thingy. So let me show you this one first.
Keep going. I got the water is there. Is there a drinking point? Where is that drinking point? The cameraman is supposed to be behind. What's the better go to Right? What's this? Phothophoto. Salale botte do digara. Allah. Ana si sego comment na ala de nak. Our phone now we top proof.
Hi guys. Yo, this place is far. And we keep taking, there's so many beautiful spots to take pictures. Like a lot. I'm gonna put my pictures somewhere on the screen for you guys to see. Some I'm gonna post on Instagram, some I'm not because there are a lot. Whew. But I'm tired. I'm gonna have an orange right about now. Yeah, the road continues.
But it was for a better cause. We got a clearer view from this. Wanambu. Is it what you expected?
No. I feel like I'm being scammed.
Huh? Sorry, near Parane. There is not that bad. What tau pa ka melan silo? Huh? What tau ka? It seems to be better. We're going to have to go back. Plan it.
This way.
I guess kamu wat apa kan lagu dulu. Mata teh unu mana nal haga. Suruh pakai. Hawa puluh apa di sana?
Sekarang landang ke tengah lagi.
Insyaallah nak apa lagi kata. Kira kau jaga. How am I? Yeah, I did. I think that's the only route. Koral lagi. Suruh tu nama teramai kan adi. Makan lagi pro angkar careful customer phone.
Iya, ini satu tahu. We're taking pictures. Yeah, I wanted to go in there, but I'm so afraid of it. Maybe I can go there. I wanted to get in here to take clear pictures, but I'm afraid. Can't come. But it's so We are wet. I forgot the towel in the car, like, it's a mess. The water's cold.
Yeah, cái có video à, bác thử à. Áo thì tê lẹ lắm. Cái nào chân này lâu vậy? What's that in video? Wait for. Same way we can. Can I say na? What not but to hit ya?
Hi guys. Woo! We're just done. We've just finished taking pictures by the waterfall. I don't know if you guys can see. It's right. I think it's right over there. Right over there. So we're just basking in the sun. Why are you wearing my shirt? Basking in the sun 2 minutes so we can dry a little bit. It's quite cold in there. Not even quite. It's extremely cold in there. So yeah, I'm wearing gym pants and this bralette thingy, which is not gym wear material at all. I just wanted to show some skin today, okay? So that's why I wore this. So yeah, my shoes are extremely wet, but we're done. It's windy. I hope you guys can hear me. We packed an orange. We ate it on the way, so we didn't bring water. We didn't bring nothing at all. But we'll see how it's going. When you go to a waterfall, matter is what, just drink water from the waterfall. Yeah, ne? But at least here it's quite warm because it's on the sun. But it's beautiful. It's not what I expected. I expected more, but it's beautiful. It's extremely beautiful. We paid 20 pula each, and then 20 pula for the car, so that's 60 bucks. So paying 60 pula to come take such beautiful pictures. Ciao. I think I have 3 sets of beautiful pictures, like in different locations. So one I was wearing the black set pants. The other one was just, I think he managed to take like a upper body, and then one here is a full body with my jean pants. So yeah, it's really worth it. It's really worth it. But now I'm stressed going back. I hope it'll be shorter going back. So yeah, we'll catch you guys. Guys, I'm so tired. Ooh, Palapye. It's not a joke. I'm so drained. My lips are dry, everything. I'm tired. But I have to keep going. Hi guys, we managed to dry our clothes a bit, wear them, but we didn't wear our shoes. Luckily I took flops. Baby had to use barefoot. Barefoot. He brought his flops. So I didn't tell you to. You chose. Yeah. So yeah, we just left the chain. Yeah, we are going to pass by Palapye to get something to eat because no one is gonna cook. If we're being serious, no one is gonna cook. So because we're both tired, we're really tired. There are, like I said before, there are 2 roads, 2 waterfalls, you know, but they are in different places. So from the road where they branch out, one is like 4.2 kilometers, one is like 4.5 or 4.8 kilometers, but we chose the one near 4.2 and the other one near the old church. It's quite nice. We wanted to try both, but I know we were tired though. By the time we got back to the road thing, we couldn't do it, or I couldn't do it. So yeah, maybe next time we will do it, but it was fun. It's not what we expected. We expected a lot of water. I don't know why. It's not what we expected, but we really got really nice pictures. Like, they're really nice, like extremely nice. So yeah, it's worth it. It's really worth it. I'd say go there, go see, go enjoy, go and explore. Yeah, and there are so many spots to take pictures, like I said. For a minute I even thought I'm going to get like a different outfits and just have a proper photo shoot by that place. So at least now I know. Next time I'll do that. But yeah, it's really nice. You barely meet people, or maybe it's because we went during the week, but we barely met people on the way. I think we met only 2 sets of people, literally. One we were going there, they were going back, and then the next set, when we were going back, they were going there. The last set we saw was by the church, so we're not really going up. So, but like I'm saying, maybe it's because we went there midweek, because the lady says weekends mostly is when the tour guides are there. Yeah, bye guys, I'll see you later.